What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks.
What up?
This video, we are actually going to be replacing the phone screen this time on my phone, not the back glass, but
the digitizer and the screen.
Yeah, so I was on a trip and it was pulled off of a high place and hit on the side here and just kind of started spreading. Now it's completely black, so I have made sure that it's off and all that, but it needs to be replaced because it's not usable.
And we're going to replace it today.
Heck yeah. All right, let's get to it. So here we have the Moto Z3 Droid. We're going to use a heat gun to heat up the adhesive around the outside, strip all the way around, and then we will use a little guitar pick type tool that I got with this kit. I'll put a link in the description below about where I got it from. It's another Amazon bot kit. Well, comes with everything, including a tempered glass screen protector. However, mine didn't actually crack, so that's not the issue. It just display. Alright, let's give it a shot real quick. I'm not really sure where to start this at. Afraid we might need a metal tool. Ooh, maybe not. Hey, there we go.
Nice.
All right. Some heat real quick. Ooh.
Hot?
Yeah, let me pull that out. I want it to melt. There are some components on the bottom of this that we're going to have to look at. For instance, the new screen I got does not have an ear mesh. We'll be pulling that out. There. It's going a lot smoother than the last time we did something with this. And now down here is where it actually connects. So you got to kind of be a little careful. There's these two microphones. And there we go.
Nice.
All right.
It is open.
All right. We will have to clean off some of this adhesive real quick. So let me pop this off real quick. Just a little piece of tape over it. Put that over here. See if we can reuse it later. Pop that up. It is. And voila. There we go. We're going to pause the video real quick, clean up some of this adhesive. We'll be right back. All right. So here we have the old screen. Here's the phone without the screen. And here's the new screen. As you can see, that's adhesive. As you can see on the new one, there is no mesh here where the ear piece is. And on the old one, it is still in there. So we're going to go ahead and get that so we can put it on the new one. Might have to heat it up. Nope, looks like it's coming out. There is some adhesive on there, so if it doesn't come out right away, it would be a good idea to heat it up again. I just kind of went for it. Now, on this, there's a little plastic piece on the back that you do have to pull off in order to put this on. Alright, let's make sure we line it up. Looks good. And there we go, popped right on in. Good to go. Boom. Now I've got the ear mesh on the new screen. Alright. Before we get going too much farther, let's make sure it works, yeah? So yeah. Just plug it in right down here. And then push the little latch down. It's on there. And power button. Hey, look at that.
Look at that. Brand new screen.
Woo, it works. All right. Let me let it boot up. I'm going to turn it back off and we'll give it a shot. You want to pause it real quick? All right. So now it looks like what we have to do next is put the adhesive on. I'm kind of new to this. I haven't seen any instructions on this one either. This is just, it's a big pad of adhesive. However, I only have to use the outside strip.
Which it is pre-cut.
Yeah, it is cut, so I can pull it out, but it is it'll be interesting. let's do that. Probably should have done this a little differently. But that's that, because that's the adhesive I need. I need for it to be down on there. Which is where I'm thinking I did this a little wrong.
You used the whole thing?
No. Hang on, there we go. Oh. Trying to get the pre-cut. Okay, well it doesn't want to come out, but I'm gonna make it work. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna apply it like this, as even as possible. Nope. Pull off on the speaker. It's alright. I'll get it back down.
I think that's the old stuff.
Sticking. Alright. I'm gonna go for it. It's a little stretchy. Very sticky. Sorry about the outside noises. I'm at my parents' house and there are dogs. There we go. Way around.
Heat her up.
And should we? Is that necessary for this?
We'll do that after the screen's on.
All right. Now, gotta get this blue stuff off. There we go. And the adhesive is actually cut to go right around the camera and the motion sensor, all that. There we go. Adhesive is staying on there. Right around the speakers at the bottom. It's all right. There we go. That's all complete. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new screen back on. Get it in there without breaking it. Trying to make it so I can show you all also. There's the spudger. There we go. Then I'm going to latch it down. And again, as close to perfect as you can get it. Don't really get much of a second shot on this. There we go. That all looks good so far. New screen. And Trevor, did you want to blast it with heat just to
and then
solidify it?
We'll put that on top of it and put a little bit of pressure on it for about 30 seconds. That way it's got a good seal.
This stuff.
Put some weight on it.
Some solid equal pressure. I'm going to use the old phone screen because it is the same size and just kind of push on the edges. He's got a book or something. Oh, a salt rock.
Salt rock works.
There you go. Yeah.
It's heavy enough.
It's not over heavy. It should be fine. All right, we're gonna let that sit for a minute. All right, so we let it sit there for actually what, just a couple minutes. And that's kind of just an extra step. Don't know if it's 100% necessary, but it probably will help seal it. And now, the final test. Hey, all right. I'll make sure the touchscreen works because that was another issue I was having, was the touchscreen wasn't working properly. Once it comes up, we'll just go through some apps.
All right, and we got a new phone.
Heck yeah. Yeah, and my old one was a little scratched up. This one's obviously not. It's great. Now I've replaced the front and the back glass on this phone. Battery's still good,
Yeah,
so it should be... Oh, you see my pattern.
Secrets.
All right, so it's finishing this little boot up. Oh, look, I have new messages. Hey, look at that. Responding perfectly fine. Everything seems to be fine. I do use the dark theme, so I'm sorry if anybody is upset about that. Actually, I'm not sorry. Dark theme's best. Yeah, so that's looking pretty good. Cool.
All
All right, so that's that.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it and it helped you out, and it will help you out, just give us a little like
Hit
and
that
subscribe button.
Yeah.
And
Until next time.
plenty more.